everybody, welcome back to another one of my sister's videos. She was getting ready and she asked me to do this, so yeah.
I did not.
So, basically what's going on is, yesterday she made a video, and it was the,
Sophomore advice video.
sophomore advice video. If you didn't see that, please make sure to go check it out. Give it a like, comment, and a big subscribe on this channel. This video, like, comment, and comment, and then subscribe to this channel. So yeah, because it's amazing, and because it has me in it and my sister.
You know, make sure to link her channel down below for y'all if you want to follow her.
If you haven't seen the video I posted of her, I tried to beat her, and then I told you guys all my stuff. So like, yeah. So basically in today's video, she is going to be doing, I'm her like little helper, but she is going to be doing
my everyday makeup for 2018.
Is I take my, I have this headband and I pull it back. So I have no frizzes, and it's not like that.
Well, I don't have a headband, so.
I can get you one.
And go do it, helper. Well, elf. Well, she's at it. I can show you guys my makeup bag. It says fries before guys on it. And although I do love my boyfriend and my dad and all the guys, I still love fries a lot too. I mean, aren't fries very good? Okay, well, we need to start now. We're 3 minutes in and haven't put any makeup on. So I start off with my Maybelline Dream Matte Mousse. And this is the shade Porcelain Ivory. And I probably shouldn't use my fingers, but I do. So let's just get a little bit of it on, and I dot-ish.
Wake up and I dot.
Wake up and I'm dot. So I usually put more under my eyes because I got some really bad eye circles. But I actually have concealer. I didn't have concealer until Autumn gave me some, but that's my friend. That's my friend, but okay. I really don't know how this looks.
You said, wait, let me blend it. Can I blend it?
Yeah.
You said that's my friend, normal, and then she stopped in the middle and said that's my friend.
And that's my friend. Okay. Then let me find my concealer. By the way, like, this isn't like my everyday, obviously, like, it's always a little bit different. Hey, I got it. Move.
I know, I just want to grab something.
And get up on the bed so they can see me. Thank you. But yeah, now I have this LA Girl Pro Conceal for my concealer. I don't think I'm going to use that, but you can use that if you want. Put it under my eyeballs, and as well as if I have any pimples. I don't really see any because this light's really bright behind me. Is there any pimples? And I guess on the sides of my nose.
The top of it.
Do I have a pimple?
No.
Okay. So yeah, I got that, and then
Blend.
Then I blend. Then after that,
while she grabs her stuff, I'm gonna show you guys this because I'm weird. Yeah. I got it all over. So I'm the best person.
excuse me.
Like how much I got it all over.
You're a mess, but I love you. Okay, where's that one brush?
No, I blend it.
I need that. Oops. I'm gonna end up having lipstick on my face, but it's alright. So first I have this e.l.f. duo with a highlight and a bronzer. Or no, baked highlight and blush. Apparently this is rose gold, but I'm only gonna use the highlight. I wish I had a liquid highlighter, but I don't. I'm gonna put some on my finger and put it here. And then I put some on the tip of my nose. Where else do people highlight at? Right here, I think. Is that it?
And right here.
Oh. And here.
Above eyebrows.
Above them?
Like this part.
Under it or over it?
Over it.
Does this look really bad?
No, not blend.
Okay. And then I'm going to use my blush, which is in NYC blush in No Lita Pink. So we're going to be going like this and just putting it on my cheeks. Is that too dark?
It's good. Oh.
Too much?
Oh, you're good.
Okay, so that's my blush. That's really bright, y'all. Can I see the concealer? I'm going to put some concealer over it because it's too bright.
Help her, bye-bye.
We may or may not be losing power in a minute, so, because it's been storming really bad because it's Florida. Anyway. Okay, so now I'm going to be using my LA Colors bronzer, which I guess is not the same thing as contour, but I kind of use it that way, so. Just put it on my jawline, under the apples of my cheeks, and on my forehead, and I think like there or something. I don't know. As you can see, I'm not too experienced. Okay. Then I'm going to be getting my, what is it? So now onto the eyes, finally. I got my favorite Wet n Wild palette, which is Walking on Eggshells, and it's just a trio. So I'm going to be getting this brush. This is used a lot, so it's kind of really powdery, but I'm going to be getting this brush using the top thing that keeps breaking into like little pieces. But I'm going to get some, excuse me, and put some of it on my inner corners. Sorry about that, you guys. And then I'm going to be putting some under my eyebrow, like so. Okay, and then I'm going to be taking the middle one, which is on the bottom, or not the bottom one, at the bottom one, and take this brush and put it on the first half of my eyelid. And then I'm going to be taking my, where's the one thing? I need the one thing. Okay. I'll be taking this L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour eyeshadow, and this one is an Amber Rush. I'll be taking it and putting it on the outer corner of my eyelid. Just add some glitter, some party, some prettiness, you feel. And then to end that all, I'm going to be going back in with the same Wet n Wild palette. I'm going to be taking the middle darkest color and using the same brush as I did for my inner corner and putting it in my shade spot. What is this? Oh, the crease in my eye. What am I saying? In my crease. Okay. And now we're all done with eyeshadow. And now I'm going to be taking the Revlon Color Stay Skinny eyeliner in brown. And I'm going to be taking it and making wings on both of my eyes. So I'm going to try to do this the best that I can. Usually I do this in a mirror. I'm like kind of looking into a light right now. Excuse me. Okay. I know for some of you beauty gurus, these are some weak, like, cat eyes, but I'm trying my best here, and yeah, so those are my wings. And then I'm going to be using my, okay, one of these has product and one of these doesn't. So I'm going to be using one of these Maybelline Falsies Volume Express Hydrofuge eyeliners. And I'm just going to be applying it to my top lashes and my bottom lashes. my bottom lashes very carefully because it can end up messing up. And with any type of black, too much of any type of black on my eye is a lot more prevalent than on darker complexions, because I've got a really light complexion and it contrasts really heavy. So there, we've got that. And then, oh yeah, I forgot to do my bottom lashes. What am I doing with my life? Ah, that's so much eye things. Okay. Okay. And then my last thing is going to be my lip products. So the first thing in my lip products I use is a Revlon Color Stay in the color Infinite Raspberry. And I use the color side. This one's almost running out. And I put it all over my lips. And then I use the sealant. Supposed to make it stay on for 24 hours. That's kind of stressful, but it usually lasts the whole day. But yeah, you should definitely bring it to reapply. And then to put it on top of it all, I use this e.l.f. lipstick in the shade Ruby Red. Sometimes I do red, sometimes I do pink, but today I felt like doing red. I do more red. I do red more often because, like, I like the look of it. So let me take my hair down to show you guys the final product. So, what is it? This is my everyday makeup routine. And let me put on my glasses too to show y'all what I really look like. Which is a little different. So yeah, this is my everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!